are two very scary space stories. 2. 1. The Planet Sucker. So, me and my dad were traveling in space together, but until we saw a black hole swallowing our Earth with everyone on it. We tried to save the Earth, but we didn't last long enough. So we had to go get somebody, but the black hole was sucking both of us in. But ever since, it has sucked our moon, Earth, and Mercury. Our Mercury, moon, and Earth are never going to be seen again. But someone from Asia was also in space. So I said, "Hey," and then they actually did not hear me because I was there just floating in space. There's no sound in space. And ever since I've said Nico's name, he never responded, and I never saw him again. 2. The moon. There are craters on the moon, said John. I said, well, yeah, there are craters on the moon, but we were the first people to ever go to the moon. But the moon did not have an atmosphere, so it was really close to Earth until John was on one side and then I was on the other. The moon shattered in its orbit, and then it never came back, even though when it was our satellite. And then our Earth had rings. But ever since it has ever done that, people have explained about their power being out for days. But that would have happened with the sun if it exploded. But no, the moon was not fully broke. John was falling in space while I was starting to freak out. But until he fell asleep, died, quote, quote, and was floating in space, then I had to go back to that Earth and explain. But right when I got back, the Earth was right by the sun, and the sun swallowed me whole, with the moon going with it. Part 2, coming soon.